and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today is day 17 of Vlogmas and I'm actually going to do a little beauty room tour. It's something that's been requested over the past few months from quite a few people actually, and I was going to put it off because in the new year I'm planning to get some new storage, like proper drawers for my makeup bits just here, and a new dresser, because I just think mine's getting a bit dated now. And yeah, but then I thought, do you know what, I might as well do one now and show you now, and then do the one after, so you can kind of see like a before and after as well. Well, I thought it was a good idea anyway. So yeah, I'll admit it is all a bit cluttered at the minute. I seriously need to go through it. I need to do another like declutter, which I will do in the new year, and obviously, as I said, I'm going to make it a lot more organised in the new year as well. So we'll crack on and I'll show you how it is now. So this is my dresser. So it's kind of like a dressing table. And yeah, I've got quite a few bits on here, so I'll show you this. But as you can see, it's kind of like this shabby chic design, which like matches my, excuse the mess. It's only because everything is in different places, because obviously with Christmas coming up, it's just like a bit of a storage room at the moment. But yeah, so I'm going to get a new dressing table, a bit more modern. And yeah, but I'll show you this one anyway. So I have, these are my little storage pots that I actually got from Shein. I think they're about £2.50, but I keep my brushes in these. So yeah, I've got two of these ones, which are really good because I've got 3 compartments in there, as you can see. And then this is what I got in the Angel collection from Unicorn Cosmetics. So it's like, as you can see, it's, you know, if you connect them, it's a brush holder, but I'm using them as 2 separate pots. Yeah, so what I do is I separate my brushes. So I've got my foundation brushes in here, and then I've got my flat brushes in here. I've got my kind of odd ones just here. Fluffy brushes, like kind of under eye and round brushes. Then I've got my powder brushes. And these are all just the Unicorn ones that I've just got together because I display that collection all together. Some of them do need cleaning, I know, but there we go. But these are really handy because they kind of slot together as well. So what I do is I kind of slot them together like this, and they fit quite nicely at the side of like my little vanity shelf mirror thing, which is handy. So then this is like, I got this from the range. I absolutely love it. It's like a long, it's quite a big like vanity unit. And you've got 2 little shelf sections on each side, which are actually quite a decent room. And then there's 2 like drawers here as well, which again, they're a decent size. And then obviously you've got your little Hollywood mirror in the middle. Right, so this one here, this is where I keep all my lipsticks, so yeah, and glosses and that. So I've got those all together, and then this is just I think I got this from Shein as well. It's just like a little holder that I put my MAC lipsticks in, just to kind of keep them separate. And then I've got like all different ones in there. And then in this one, this is kind of like my regular skincare bits that I grab. So I've got like bits there. Yeah, I'm actually going to go through, I'm going to do a video very soon, like within the next few days, of my like yearly favourites, which will be makeup, skincare, hair care, which I'll properly go through everything then when I do that video. And then these are actually flowers that I stuck on the side because, I don't know if you can see it very well without me pulling everything out, I've actually chipped a bit of wood off the inside of that. So it started off that I glued it, and then I put this flower on the side to kind of hide it, and then it looked odd, so I ended up putting like there's one there, there's one there, and one there. So, and then I've put some along the bottom as well. So yeah, I kind of customized it, shall we say, myself. And then on the top I've just put some bits that, yeah, I just wanted to be shown really. So this is empty. This is what I got, the P. Louise brow kit was in there, the Oh So Browtiful one. These are a couple of bits that I actually won these in a competition from Cute. And yeah, so there's a moisturiser and a mask in there. My little Disney Beauty Bay collection. I've actually just picked up the Bambi one from the newer ones that they did. So I'm going to be doing a video on that as well soon. This is just a pot I got from Home Bargains that's got random things in. Like a messy pot. So it's got like some random lipsticks and glitters in there. And then, hello, this is a absolutely gorgeous like rose gold Minnie Mouse mirror that I got from Primark. This shelf has all my Doll Beauty lashes in, and then I just thought this was really cute. This has got some Shein lashes in, so I've popped that on there as well. And then again, we've got some, at the back there's 2 Pat McGrath lipsticks, like a face tanning spray, some Future Dew by Glossier, a perfume, and this moisturiser that I was actually sent recently. That's blooming amazing. So I normally use that. I kind of alternate between that and my Sand and Sky hydration boost cream. I'm going to sneeze. Bless me. Yeah, and then that's where I put the rest of my brushes that I just showed you. And then here I've just got my perfume. So this is the Issey Miyake and the Tommy Girl, which is actually kind of like an all-time favourite, just daytime spray of mine. And then, yeah, my brush cleaner. This is another brush cleaner I got recently from She Glam. This is amazing. If you want to clean your brushes just quickly, like if you're in the middle of doing your makeup, this is so good. You just spray it on your brushes and then wipe them off on a tissue like you do with the Isoclean. And it dries really quick as well, so you can use them pretty much straight away. I love it. Deodorant, great. And my facial cleanser, which, yeah, I use regularly, so that's out on display. And then I've just got my I've just got my 2 hand mirrors on there. See, this is all stained from makeup, which is another reason that I want to get a new one. Then these drawers that are kind of attached down the side, oh god, this one here, which is always getting stuck because things get stuck under here, has just got, it's not the neatest in the world. It's just got all my like hair care products in, yeah, just some wipes that I use for swatches and things. Yeah, a bit of a random drawer really. And then these 2 just have my underwear in, so I won't show you that. And then just underneath I've got my little Planet Revolution bin that I love. And then this is my back wall that you'll often see on display behind me in my videos. So yeah, this is my kind of little shelf unit that I got from B&M, I think. Yeah, which I can't remember how much it was now. It wasn't much, like £4 or something in the sale. And yeah, as I say, I've got my Unicorn Cosmetics Angel collection on the top there because I just think it's really, really pretty and I want it on show. And then I've got my I Heart Revolution e.l.f. palettes here, which, you know, with Christmas coming up, I thought they were good to display. My lip liners go in this pot. That's part of the e.l.f. collection. And then the Marilyn Monroe Makeup Revolution collection as well, which is absolutely stunning. So I put that on display. And these are some little candles that were sent to me from Revolution as well. So yeah, we'll move on to my storage units. As I say, these are, I did like them when I first got them, but I have to say that now with them being all open, I don't know, it just looks a bit cluttered to me. So that's why I'm going to get some drawers that I found some on Amazon actually that are very, very similar to the Alex drawers, but they are a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to, I'll vlog that when I get them and obviously put them together and everything next year. But yeah, so I'll start off with this one here. So this is a little cabinet that I got from eBay last Christmas actually. I bought this with some money I got from my in-laws. And it's really cool. It needs a dust. I need to dust this room badly. But yeah, it's obviously got this section here which I just display. I'm a huge fan of Sand and Sky products. I am an affiliate for them, but that is because I love the products so much. Otherwise, trust me, I wouldn't recommend them. But yeah, so I have all my products in there which actually look quite nice displayed in there. And then I'll move that. That's something I've just been sent recently, so I'll show that in another video. But then there's these drawers just here. So then in this one here, I've got my like eyeliners. There's an eye base in there, that shouldn't be in there. Eyeliners and brow products, and they all go in there. They fit quite nicely. And then in this drawer I have my like pigments and things and some liquid shadows, so they're all in there. And then in this drawer I have some like random lashes and lash glues and like lash tools and things like that. Oh. And then in this drawer, I'll put that in there now, I've got concealers and eye bases. So yeah, they're actually really decent and they're quite deep little drawers. I think I paid about 30 quid for this off eBay, but I absolutely love it. I think it looks really nice as well. And then this is the next shelf down. So this has obviously got all like, you know, containers that have got my makeup products in. As you can see, I seriously need to sort them out. But in here I have all my foundations, primers, powders, things like that. And then this one has all of my blushes in. And then at the back there I've got a little pot that's got highlighters in, and this, can't get to it, this one just here has got some other highlighters in. And then this one here has got more highlighters. So yeah, I'm a bit of a highlighter hoarder, it appears. So yeah. And then the next shelf down, I've got some little skincare tools at the back there. And these are all my coloured contacts that's why my eyes always look different colours, because I wear coloured contacts. So yeah, this has got all of those in, and obviously my solution there as well. And then here we have, this is my like eyeshadow palette holder. I love this. I love anything with stars on it anyway. But this was from Shein, and I actually got this for an absolute bargain. I don't think they're that price now, unfortunately. But when I bought this, it was displayed on their website as a book stand, and it was £26, I think, which is what it is now. But I used some like points that I had, and I had I think it was a 30% off discount code as well with them, and I managed to actually get it for about 6 quid. So yeah, talk about a bargain. But I display like all of my palettes that yeah I want on display, I guess. I have all of those in here. So I'm not going to go through the palettes in detail, because as I say, I'm going to do a declutter in the new year, so I'll show you those properly then. But yeah, this unit here was from, what's it called, Hobbycraft. And yeah, basically you get the main unit for, I think it was about 30 quid, and then you can get add-ons. So I got the top here was about a £5, and then I got I think I actually got 2 of those. I don't know where the other one's gone, but these little pots here were about 2 or 3 quid. So yeah, it's pretty cool, I have to say. I have seen them in other shops as well, like B&M and places like that, but I think they're all around the same price, to be honest, around 30 quid. So yeah, there's that. So this is like the top to it, and then it comes off. It's got like it's a wooden top. It's got like little stopper bits there. And inside here is where I kind of put all my products to test. So yeah, so I haven't got many left in here, because I've actually absolutely hammered my like review products lately, because obviously doing uploads every day through December. But we've got, I featured these the other day, really like random eye things for hooded eyes. I've got a couple of palettes there. I've got another, this kind of I've grouped together because for a first impressions, I just got to add to it. A couple of flex palettes that I've had for forever that I seriously need to get tested. The Revolution palette, the Sephora Pocket palette, and there's the Bambi one that I said about earlier. So yeah, I will be featuring those soon, but yeah, that's what I put in there anyway. And then this is the next shelf down. So this is all eyeshadow palettes. So this is kind of like my eyeshadow palette shelf, shall we say. So I've got all of those in there, and there's a random brush cleaner in there as well. As I said earlier, this is like the pot that's got all my beauty blenders in. And then the next shelf down, which is the last one, has got more palettes. So I've got more palettes here on this side, and then over here, this is another palette collection. I've got my Matrix pigments from XX Revolution, and then these are all, there's some random self-tans at the back, and then my sprays at the front just here. Yeah, so this is kind of how it looks all together, and yeah, I have to say I really do like the setup. I've moved a few times, to be honest, since I started recording on YouTube, but I think this is the best place because I'm next to, sorry, it's my light, I'm next to a window here, so obviously I'll get the natural light as well, which is a lot better. Obviously I have my artificial light in as well. So yeah, as you can see, it's not like a massive lot of stuff. It is just a corner in a room, but I kind of just like make the best of what I've got. So yeah, but I am really excited to get my new furniture and have it looking a lot more kind of chic looking, which is what I'm going for. A lot more organised and things in particular places and like storage and things, which is what I absolutely love, to be honest. So yeah, as I say, in the new year, I will be obviously redoing it all up. I'm going to take you on that journey with me. So I'm going to take you from me obviously putting the furniture together, putting everything in order, having a good declutter, yeah, and then obviously the final result. So I'm really, really excited actually for that. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.